Hey buddy, today in this video we'll show you how to make garlic curry wings. And it's really easy to make and you should give it a try. The first thing we'll add is garlic salt. Next we'll add curry powder. Just sprinkle it on the wings. Then we're going to spray some avocado oil. And we're going to flip them over and do the same thing again. Some garlic salt, curry powder, and we're going to spray it with some avocado oil. What we'll do next is we'll preheat the air fryer at 400 degrees. And we're going to do 20 minutes. We're going to let it preheat and we'll be back. The air fryer has been preheated at 400 degrees. And we're going to begin putting in the chicken wings in the basket. First we'll spray some avocado oil. And then we're going to add the wings. Make sure when you put the wings in that you spread them out as much as you can. Give them some breathing room so that they can cook evenly. And we're going to put it back in. And we're going to leave it in for 10 minutes. And then we're going to flip them and put them back in for another 10 minutes. We're going to put it in for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. And we're going to flip them over. Looking good so far. Gonna flip these over. They're nice and golden in color. And there we go. And we're just gonna add just a little bit of cooking oil on it, just so that it doesn't dry out. Okay, we're going to put it in for the last 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, the chicken wings are done. And there we go. Look at that. Looking great. We're going to pull them out. So there we go, garlic curry wings made in an air fryer. You should give it a try, it's delicious. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks.